Buying a home is one of the biggest investments a family will ever make. As a seller, you can help to provide prospective home buyers with peace of mind by having your listing professionally inspected. So when it comes to your home inspection, it's time to turn to a highly trained home inspector from one of America's leading home inspection companies, one with a commitment to professional and high-quality service. For more than 30 years, AmeriSpec certified inspectors have performed professional inspections that meet or exceed the highest standards in the industry. Our inspectors will conduct a thorough 400-plus point evaluation of your home, helping you understand the property's current condition in various categories, including exterior home components, electrical systems, roof, interior and exterior foundation, and plumbing, just to name a few. After inspecting items from roof to foundation, we provide the results in our easy-to-reference AmeriSpec report, which includes a home repair manual and a seasonal maintenance checklist. Our comprehensive AmeriSpec report will allow you to plan ahead for any repairs or alterations that may affect the home sale transaction. An inspection from AmeriSpec will help your buyer feel more confident about purchasing your home, and the inspection can help reduce pre-closing issues. Turn to AmeriSpec for your home inspections to help confirm that your listing really is a dream home. More than inspected. AmeriSpec inspected.